guys, I'm Kelly Anthony. This is the Anthony Kitchen, and today we are whipping up ranch water margaritas. Now this is a Texas-born cocktail coming at you from a Texas-born gal. I have been sipping on ranch water margaritas for the past few summers now, and it is my go-to warm weather drink. It's cool, it's refreshing, it's bubbly, and it's got tequila. Okay, so a ranch water margarita consists of 3 ingredients: Topo Chico, tequila, and lime juice. Seriously, that's all there is to it. To be quite frank, there really is no substitution for Topo Chico. It is an animal in a kingdom of its own of sparkling water. The bubbles are more vibrant, it's crisper, and it's really just the best sparkling water overall. So let it be known, you must use Topo Chico in a ranch water cocktail. Moving on to the tequila. For the tequila, because there's not a whole lot masking the flavors here, this is the time to splurge on a good, high quality tequila. And last but not least, the limes. If you want to add a little more sweetness to the cocktail without physically adding sugar or a simple syrup or something along those lines, key limes make a great choice. So that's settled. You can use regular limes or key limes, whatever you have on hand. Now let's talk glassware. This is my favorite glass for a ranch water cocktail. The reason why is because you can see it tapers toward the top. This is kind of the same idea as when you drink champagne out of a fluted glass. You do that because it helps those bubbles to rise and traps them. It keeps your drink crisp and bubbly. So now we have our glassware in check, it's time to fill it to the tippy top with ice. The glass is ready, and the first thing we're gonna do is add the tequila. Now, how much tequila you add is really up to you. You could add anywhere from 1 to 2 ounces. If you're using a highball glass like this, you could probably get away with 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces. If you're using a lowball glass, also known as a rocks glass, then you probably wanna stick with somewhere between 1 ounce and 1.5 ounces of tequila. So I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of tequila. With this cocktail, I would say it's probably best to measure out the tequila. So in the glass, and I've already squeezed some lime juice, so I'll add this in. This is about 1/2 ounce of lime juice, which is about the equivalent of half of 1 regular sized lime. And now for the Topo Chico, you'll wanna have your bottle opener on hand. Pop that top, and then we'll just fill it all the way to the tippy top. Now you'll wanna give it a stir, get it good and mixed up. You just wanna get the spoon or knife to the bottom of the glass and give it a good wiggle so that we can get the tequila and the lime juice and the topo all mixed up. And last but not least, a little garnish never did anybody wrong. So I've got myself a cute little key lime here. I'm just gonna take off the end, and then I'm gonna cut it into thin slices, just like this. You can probably get 3 to 4 slices out of these babies. And then I'll stack them and cut them just in half, right along the side. And this way I can pop it on the edge of my drink and sip away. Y'all, drinks do not get more refreshing than this. It is so perfect for those hot Texas summers, or summers really anywhere. I hope that you guys will enjoy this recipe, and remember, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe at theanthonykitchen.com for hundreds of recipe ideas, including your new favorite cocktail, as well as our YouTube channel, The Anthony Kitchen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.